We're good. We're
The plan is me, Micah, and Cam are going to drive all the way up north to the Cheflu area and go to this steel pyramid basically. And the goal is to get there by sunrise, to get some dope sunrise photos, and then come back home. Need gas. Who's gonna help, Mike? Gotta give him my money.
There you go. We're good. We're Gucci. Hey. Oh shit.
Alright, y'all. It's a long drive. It's like 2.5-hour drive. So just random pyramid, just sitting in the middle of Sicily. Look at this view, though. So we had a slight problem. The clouds are blocking the sunrise right now and kind of messing up golden hour. Here's the thing. I kind of stopped recording after that clip because we were so focused on taking pictures. The sun was coming up fairly quickly. We were trying to utilize the golden hour light as much as we can. So yeah. Anyway, back to regular scheduled programming. Alright, so we are now entering Ariana's Labyrinth. Large opening right here. Some dope walls. I don't ever think I've been in the walls like this deep before, you know, touching walls this far deep into the labyrinth. But we want to see what's going on here. Did you climb the wall? I'm still walking. Yeah, dang. I thought I'd just say fucking climb this wall, man. Alright. We just got some shots in with the vagina in the background. Cam crashed his drone. Didn't bring any extra blades. That's crazy. That's absurd. Like bringing a camera without any extra batteries.
Yep, that's absurd. Who would do such a thing? I got a whole bunch of batteries and none of them charged.
Do a flip.
It's because it doesn't look like it's that much of a drop, but this is really far. All right, I'm gonna just go.
Jump! Come on, are you stalling? Come on.
Hey, man.
Gotta do it for the gram.
Dang, I can't do it.
You got a full commit, son.
All right, got 3 cameras. Dang. Dang. Here we go. There we go.
Oh, I wasn't recording, bro. You gotta do it again. Alright, y'all. That's a wrap. Definitely got some heat coming, for sure. I'm just linking Micah's YouTube in the description. I'll link their Instagram in the bio. Go follow them. I'll see you guys.